Hey guys, welcome to a little 5-10 minute video, and in this video we're going to be building a rocket. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna do this quick. Time is of the essence. So let's get a base down for a rocket. We're gonna need something big, so something like this. Here we go. Alright, let's place that there. Bam. Okay, there's our base. Now I'm thinking we need to build our rocket, so let's start off with some tubes. Here's one big tube. Let's attach that to so it's a 4x4 tube. We'll attach that to a 2x2 tube. So we'll make different sections to the rocket. We'll connect these up with some cones. This goes 4x4 to 2x2, which is exactly what we need. So move this to here. Take this into position. Now what we're going to do is use the precision weld tool. Gonna use a smart snap to get right on the edge there. I'm gonna weld that right onto the corresponding edge on this. Move it, and there we go. That's part of our rocket. Now we simply do the same process. We take one of these, come over to here, we place it. Gotta find sometimes it's a bit pedantic with how you do this. Okay, so okay, that's not what we need. Is it shift? Nope. Is it R? Yep, there we go. So you can see we moved that around. Move this around that way, and bam, there we go. Start of our rocket. Now we need a cone for the top. So what are we going to use for the cone for the top? There might be a cone here. Here, what's this? 1x1, that's not suitable. 2x2, this should work. It's just a simple rocket. We're not going to go overboard. Just, use precision weld again, one of my favorite tools. Put the top on. Brilliant. So now we have something that resembles a rocket. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to put some boosters on the bottom, like rockets. Okay. There we go, that's on there, it looks good. Now what we're going to need to do is add some thrusters. So I'm going to use the one button, I'm not going to use the reverse. I'm going to give it lots of thrusts. I'm going to use the smoke effect, actually. Let's use plasma and use dropship. Toggle, and let's see, let's get a big booster for the bottom of here. That looks good. So there we go, I press 1. Looks good. Now what we probably also want is some smaller thrusters with the flame effect. So let's have a look. Let's put like one here, one here, one here, and one here. So turn those on and look. Lots of thrust coming down there, and of course, why would we not just add some smoke effects too? So let's see. One there, one there, one there, and one there. So there we go. There is our rocket pretty much ready to go. When we fire it, that's going to come out. Looks good. Okay. Now we're going to use the stacker tool here. We're going to make this 20 high. Ensure that it is coming out the right way. There we go. And you know what? It's probably a bit high. Okay, hang on. That'll do. Okay. Take our rocket, position it like so. Alright. Now, just a few little finishing touches. What we need to do is we need to add some of these. So we'll put them like that. Another one. I'll put it like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. And let's just do one more at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply weld these. Weld to there, weld to there, weld to there. And there we go, we've got a rocket launch stand, and now you may be asking me, Nick, how are you going to launch that if it's stuck together? Well, here we go. We're not actually going to stick it, we're going to use dynamite. So take dynamite, we've got one as the, we've got a remove on explode ticked, set the damage down to 0. Now what we're going to do is we're going to place a piece of dynamite at each connection to this, and we're going to weld the thing through. Oh, hang on, this appears to have fallen off, so we'll just weld it like that. Okay, so there we go. Got our launch pad, we got our rocket. It's pretty much ready to launch. I just need to do a few final things. I'm gonna weld the top to there, and I'm also gonna weld the top to there. Weld this to there, and that to there. Weld this to there. And I think we're almost good to go. We just need a little bit of paint on the rocket. Looks awful, so we're gonna find something else. Nope. Nope. Still nope. Hideous. Absolutely hideous. What about this? I could dig it. Oh, that's better. Yeah, okay. I like that. So there we go. Now let's just add a little bit of color. Got a complete set our opacity. And finally, the last touch. There we go. Simple, effective rocket. I'm just going to take a duplication before we launch it. And save dupe. Okay, now here we go. There's our rocket. It's ready to launch. Now when I press the number 1 button, these are going to explode. The weld is going to be disconnected, and the rocket should launch into the air. So here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, launch. I think I've frozen it by accident. Okay, launch take 2. I was accidentally frozen. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Whoa, there it goes. Up into the sky. Away. There we go. I'm glad that worked eventually. That's coming back down. Fortunately, there's not a big enough map for this, but there we go. Still going. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick build. Yeah, hope you learned something, so see you later.